Welcome to Everything English. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Today's word of the day is luscious. The bakery displayed an array of luscious pastries and cakes that tempted everyone who walked by. Luscious is an adjective that means highly pleasing to the senses, especially to the taste or smell, as well as visually appealing. The chef prepared a luscious gourmet meal that delighted the guests with its exquisite flavors and presentation. In this example, luscious is used to describe the gourmet meal's delightful taste and presentation that impressed and pleased the guests. The garden boasted luscious blooms of vibrant colors, creating a picturesque view for visitors. Here, luscious is used to emphasize the beautiful and visually appealing blooms in the garden, adding to its picturesque quality. Synonyms for luscious include delicious, delectable, and tempting. Some antonyms for luscious are unappetizing, unpalatable, and unappealing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. See you in the next video.